Alright, so the question is how to make a carousel reel on Instagram. The answer is Instagram doesn't currently support true carousel reels where you can swipe through multiple photos or videos like a normal carousel post. However, sometimes carousel posts, especially when the first slide is a video and it uses trending audio, get pushed by Instagram into the reels feed. That's why it looks like a reel, even though it's actually just a regular carousel post. It's Instagram algorithm doing this, not an actual feature. Also, it depends on shares, like, and engagement. So, if you want to push your carousel post into the reel, just go tap on your profile icon, click on add, select post, and here select carousel post. You can select multiple photos and you can select multiple videos. Now just click on next. Click on next and make sure you are using trending audio, not a regular audio. You are using a trending audio. You will see this arrow option if it's a trending music like this. Alright, now make sure you are using a trending hashtag, and after that just click on share. And it just depends on Instagram where it will push your content on reels or not. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.